how to fix processor power management and performance increase threshold missing in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the processor power management and performance increase threshold missing in Windows 10 or 11, then first what you need to do is open up your registry editor as admin. Right click on your Windows and then go with the registry editor. If you don't have that, you just need to simply search for registry editor and go with run as administrator. Click on yes and you'll get this kind of interface. So what you need to do is go with HK local machine and then go with the system. You need to enlarge the system. Under system, go with current control set, and after that go with control. Under control, you need to scroll down and go with the power option, which is right here, and go with the power settings. Under power settings, you need to go with the option which is 54533251. Enlarge that and go with an option which is 06 CADFOE, which is right here. These two options. So make sure the last letter is D but not the E. So go with the D option, and the attributes will be on the right side of the panel. And double click on the attributes and then change the value data as 2, and after that your processor power management will be back. You need to restart your computer to apply the changes. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.